Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: x plus 12 whole power 2 equal to 169. Now we are going to apply this formula here. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x square plus 2 times of x times of 12 plus 12 square equal to 169. Now x square plus 2 times 12 is 24x plus 12 square is 144 equal to 169. Now x square plus 24x plus 144 minus 169 equal to 0. Now x square plus 24x here minus 25 equal to 0. Now this 24 can be written as 25 minus 1. So 24x equal to 25x minus x. So we are going to apply this here. X square plus 25x minus x minus this 25 equal to 0. Now we are going to take x common from this. So x open bracket x plus 25. Here we are going to take minus 1 common. So x plus 25 equal to 0. Now we are going to take x plus 25 common. So x plus 25. Here we have remaining x minus this 1 equal to 0. Now x plus 25 equal to 0. Here x minus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 25 equal to 0 from this. X equal to minus 25. In other equation x minus 1 equal to 0. So here x equal to 1. These are the two possible answer. Now we are going to find this in other method. This is method 2. Here the equation is x plus 12 square 169. Take a square root on both sides. So square root of x plus 12 whole square equal to square root of 169 in plus or minus. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have x plus 12 equal to plus or minus square root of 169. Here x plus 12 equal to plus or minus the square root of 169 is 13. Now x equal to plus or minus 13 minus 12. So we have two equations, that one is x equal to plus 13 minus 12 comma x equal to minus 13 minus 12. From this two equation, we are going to find x now. Here x is 13 minus 12 is 1. Here x equal to minus 13 minus 12 is 25 in minus. These are the answer in second method. Now we have found the same in first method. X minus 25, x equal to 1. Here the same. Now we are going to verify this. The equation that x plus 12 whole power 2 equal to 169. In this equation, we are going to substitute this x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 25. So x plus 12 whole power 2 equal to 169. Here we are going to substitute this x equal to 1. So 1 plus 12 whole power 2 equal to 169. Now 1 plus 12 is 13 square equal to 169. Here 13 square is 169 equal to 169. So LHS equal to RHS. Here this is verified. Now we are going to substitute this x equal to minus 25. Here the equation is x plus 12 whole power 2 equal to 169. Now we are going to substitute this x equal to minus 25. So x plus 12 whole power 2 equal to 169. Now this x is minus 25 plus 12 whole power 2 equal to 169. Now minus 25 plus 12 is minus 13 whole power 2 equal to 169. Now this 13 square is 169 equal to 169. So here LHS equal to RHS. Here we have verified in both the x. Thanks for watching this video.